In response to swirling rumors on social media platforms claiming that DJI, the renowned drone maker, has been fined a staggering $6 billion for alleged patent infringement in the United States, the company issued a statement on October 31st denying the speculation. DJI Senior Design for Strategic Planning and External Communication, Christina, refuted the claims, clarifying that the accurate settlement amount stood at $279 million. Zhang emphasized the case remains under trial and as present no updated judgment has been provided. DJI contested the jury's decision, saying that the firm does not employ Textron's technology. Textron, a military helicopter company, has accused DJI, a civil drone manufacturer, of patent infringement. DJI argued that the technology in question were distinct, with a core patent cited by Textron filed in 2011, but DJI has been incorporating the technology in its IP 3.1 model released in 2009. Given the circumstances, DJI expressed its intention to explore further legal avenues, also possibility of continuing its appeal. The company maintained confidence in the legal process, believing that the local law will ultimately deliver a fair and just resolution to the ongoing